Welcome to YUNCO's dedicated service for breathing new life into your precision machinery. Today, we spotlight a special project, the transformation of a 2014 imported medical stent laser cutting machine from the USA. The machine in focus is a second generation 2.5-axis stent fiber laser cutting system. It's equipped with top-of-the-line components, including GSI's laser, renowned for its precision and durability, SPI cutting head, offering superior cutting quality, AERO Tech's motion platform and rotary axis, ensuring smooth and accurate movements, challenge despite its robust build. A decade of operation has taken its toll. Key issues include: the laser's power has significantly diminished, hindering its operational capability. The manual Z-axis adjustment struggles to keep up with current production efficiency. The YUNCO solution. Our customer approached us with Revitalize this machine to meet modern standards. Here, comprehensive inspection. We start by thoroughly examining the machine, identifying components that need replacement or upgrading, retaining key components, acknowledging the machine's enduring quality. We've decided to keep the AERO Tech motion platform and rotary axis, ensuring continuity and reliability. Custom upgrades will introduce state-of-the-art components to replace the outdated ones, significantly boosting the machine's performance and efficiency. This is just the beginning. Follow our journey as we transform this machine, showcasing YUNCO's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. Expect detailed updates, behind-the-scenes insights, and the final review of a machine reborn. Join us in this exciting venture and witness how YUNCO combines technical expertise with customer-centric solutions. Your trusty machinery in the hands of our experts is set for a remarkable transformation. Stay connected for more updates.